Introducing the all-new Pebble Seeq smart glasses. Let's unbox it. Snap, and you have it all. User manual, charging cable, cleaning cloth, glasses, and a leather case. Ready to power up? A simple press, and it's alive. Now, let's get connected. Find the Pebble Seeq app on your App Store. Download and open it. Allow permissions and tap Connect. The app will start searching for nearby devices. When Pebble Seeq appears, tap to begin pairing. Enable all your notifications. The app also features tutorials. It teaches how to capture photos and videos using the built-in camera. This has a powerful AI assistant that can help you with anything. Your journey begins in Seeq app, your central hub for complete customization. Here, you can easily tweak camera settings, adjust video and audio recording durations. When you're on the move, taking control is entirely hands-free. Just use the wake word,
"Hey Seeq, take a photo." "Hey Seeq, record a video." "Hey Seeq, record an audio."
Everything you capture is instantly synced directly to the app's gallery, keeping your memories organized and ready to share. Simply open the AI assistant settings to adjust your preferences, like image clarity and processing speed. Select your preferred language for the AI assistant.
"Hey Seeq, what's in front of me?"
In front of you is a brightly lit rectangular LED panel light mounted on a stand, positioned centrally in the foreground.
Traveling or meeting someone new? Break down language barriers instantly with the AI Translate feature. It listens to spoken languages and provides real-time, accurate translations right into your ears and on your screen. Here's the sample.
¿Qué te gustaría?
What would you like?
Finally, Seeq is designed to adapt to your lifestyle. The frames feature interchangeable lenses, allowing you to easily pop out the tinted sun lenses and snap in clear ones. Have more questions? Comment below and we'll get right back to you.